Again, the crowd in here in Jasnik Arena been supportive of all of the Kyrgyz wrestlers all week, and Wang hitting that double leg to start out the early 2-0 lead. Short drag by Akhmataliyev. Already in the first 20 seconds, plenty of action. Not waiting for the passivities here. Slip throw. Well, just a slip.
Вакыт келди. Өтүү керек. O-банк жана O жаңы кардарлары үчүн. Дароо 200 гигабайт жана 200 сом алгыңыз келеби? Каалаган Остор дүкөнүнө кошулуп, кош бонусту алыңыз. Биз менен сизби? Досторуңузду чакырыңыз жана ар бир досуңуз үчүн 200 сомдон алыңыз. O-банк жана O өтүүгө жана биз менен болууга эң ыңгайлуу учур.
You take all the risk and swing and miss. They'll bring it back up to our feet. Quick shot off the whistle for Wang. This time Akhmataliyev was ready for it. He'll try to control the action with that 2-on-1 tie. Passivity offered and confirmed against Wang. And Akhmataliyev trying to start his offense with that drag from the 2-on-1. But chest lock lifted his opponent up and out, but yes, that was confirmed. Head inside single attempt here, and now countered. The belly tilt. Akhmataliyev now 3-2 lead now. Kicking over is Wang for two. Countered right to his back. Akhmataliyev. Actually, that was 4. Red. And now Akhmataliyev trailing. What in the world? I have never seen that. Just got up, stopped, turned around, and got back on top of it. Here you see basically the cartwheel over. So from the standing position to the danger position, yeah. Big 4, and then Akhmataliyev with the counter exposure. Still can't get over that, whatever that was. And we'll go to the break. 6-5 lead for Wang. Back underway. Another point for Wang on the step out. Akhmataliyev counters with a step out of his own, so it's 7-6. Mataliev covers and takes the lead. And quickly with 2 on the turn. And we'll get a fresh start, and 12-7 the lead for Mataliev. And you can see Wang taking his time, maybe getting that extra breath. Mataliev with the body lock. There's my broadcast partner earlier in the week, Leon Casitas, likes to say the clinch position. Trying to hip in on that overtime is Wang, and Mataliev just says nope. 2 more. Attack now gets crunched over with the waistlock. Wang staring up at the ceiling at a compromising position for sure. In danger, so they won't stop it. Over for 2 more. That was confirmed. I believe judge held up a 2 paddle. We had a 2 from the referee. Clock hadn't started. Now the clock will start, and now the clock will stop. 14-7. It'll be a bronze medal. Crowd here in Bishkek approves. For your winner, Ernazar Mataliev, Kyrgyzstan.